everybody, what's up? This is Sarah with Titan Pressure Washing. We are out here at Treasure Coast Classical Academy, a charter school in Stuart, Florida, where we are donating our time to get the school all spruced up before the school season. So we got our Titan truck out here. Our crew is originally just doing windows, but we are now doing the building as well. We'll come back later next week and do all the sidewalks and walkways. So we're just excited to give back to our community in this way and just bless the families in this school. So we hope you can follow us on YouTube, on Facebook. Check out our website at info@titanpw.com or give us a call at 772-245-0402. Let's go check on the guys and see how they're doing. This is our newest truck with Titan Pressure Washing in Stuart, Florida. We've got an F350 dually with a skid in the back, custom made, custom designed by Casey Wyatt, one of the owners of Titan Pressure Washing. We've got our crew out here today at Treasure Coast Classical Academy. It's a charter school here in Stuart, Florida, where we're donating our time and resources to clean the building, the windows, and we'll be back a different day to clean up these sidewalks as well.
Washing, they're the talk of the town. They'll wash and seal your home from the roof to the ground. Father gonna have his deck sparkle and sheen. Mama never seen a patio look so clean. We call you back, we show up at your office or your home. In fact, we act polite, we do it right. The job is done, you'll sleep at night. We're Titan Pressure Washing, Stuart, Florida. pressure washing companies are popping up everywhere. Don't hire amateurs to pressure wash your home or business. To look the best, hire the best. With over 12 years of experience, Titan Pressure Washing of Stuart, Florida specializes in pressure washing, soft washing, and roof concrete and paver sealing services for both commercial and residential customers. Veteran owned and operated and fully insured. Our unique deep clean restores the natural color of your roof while avoiding damage caused by incorrect pressure, chemicals, and equipment. We go the extra step to also protect your landscaping. Have your property cleaned with professional commercial grade equipment and hot wash for deeper, longer results. Our sealing products are all green and can save homeowners thousands of dollars in just a few years. We clean and seal roofs, driveways, building exteriors, pool decks, sidewalks, parking lots, docks, decks, patios, and more. Call now for a free estimate, 772-245-0402, or visit TitanPW.com. Experience the Titan difference today.